Hey parents, what's up? This is Seth with SethPerler.com. I want to make a comment about the assessment here and the video for your students. So the video above is the one that I made just for your students, and this one is for you, obviously. And the assessment that I connected here, the PDF, what I want you to do is print it up. I want you to print a couple copies of it because what's most powerful is if you, the parent or both parents, if there are two parents or if they're step parents, whatever, if the parents are doing the assessment, like they're assessing the student as to what their opinion is, and your student does it, and if you guys have the type of relationship where you can talk about that, it's actually good if you guys disagree on certain things. If you have an open dialogue and a dialogue that feels safe and comfortable for both of you about that, that's a really good thing to get different perspectives. And then what you want to do is you want to redo the assessment in 4 to 6 weeks and do it 2 or 3 or 4 times throughout the semester and at the end of the year because you want to see growth in these areas. These are the key areas, excuse me. These are the key areas that your student will need to be able to have master in order to manage any school. So if you have a middle schooler, they will need the skills that are on this assessment in college even. Um, I think I made my point strong enough there. So they're very important skills. So go ahead and check this out. But make a bunch of copies of it so that you guys can revisit it together and use it as sort of a springboard for areas to grow in. And don't feel like your child has to grow in every single area. Like pick one or two to focus in. It's just you want to be successful with the things that you're working on rather than trying to do everything. Like be patient, do one or two things well, get better skills in one or two areas. It will have a domino effect. It will positively affect other areas more so than if you try to attack everything at once and make everything perfect. So anyhow, just wanted to add that there. Again, if you like my stuff, please click share in the blog post, click share on YouTube, subscribe on YouTube, comment, do whatever you can do to support my work and share it with other people who might benefit from it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.